What's up, everybody? My name is Marco, and today we're making bacon cheeseburger meatballs. Low carb and keto friendly. What do I do with my hands? What do I do with my hands? I don't know. Does anybody know? Tell me! I have 2 pounds of ground beef that I got from the Village Butcher in Modesto, fix-all seasoning from Food Fix in Modesto, some mustard and mayonnaise, a cup of almond flour, 2 cups of shredded cheese, salt, pepper, an egg, and a few bacon strips. Let's get to mixing this up. All right, so just to recap what we did, we took 2 pounds of ground beef that we got from the Village Butcher, some Food Fix, fix-all seasoning, salt, pepper, mustard, mayonnaise, a cup of almond flour, 2 cups of shredded cheese, an egg, and 7 pieces of bacon. We mixed it all together, made it into about 18 meatballs, and we threw it on the Traeger at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. We're about to pull them off and see how they tasted. Let's go check it out. Okay, so we just pulled the meatballs off the Traeger, and now we're gonna give it a taste test. I like mine with a little bit of mayo and mustard. You can have them however you want. All right, so let's go. Let's try it without first. That's really good. The Food Fix seasoning really comes through in this. The bacon, the cheese, all of it is really good. So now, you know, try this recipe. Let me know how it works for you. Give me some ideas. What do you want to see me cook? You know, we're all in quarantine. This is week 1 in quarantine. I highly suggest make this for the family. And you know, if you don't have a Traeger, you could definitely throw these in the oven for about 20 minutes at 350, 25 minutes, and they're perfect. So enjoy. I'll see you guys next time.